Congratulations, this is a momentous occasion. You're taking a big step towards home ownership, a journey filled with excitement and anticipation. It's exciting and maybe a little scary, but that's perfectly normal. Don't worry, I'm here to help guide you through every step of the process. Buying your first home is a big decision, one that requires careful thought and planning. This guide will give you the tools to find the perfect place for your family. Remember, there's no rush. Take your time. Enjoy the process and make it a memorable experience. This is about finding a place where your family can grow, thrive, and make countless memories together. Let's start with the basics. Understanding your needs and wants is crucial. Before you fall in love with a house, you need to know what you can afford. Budgeting is key. Think about what's important to you in a home. Is it the kitchen, the dining area, or perhaps the overall layout? How many bedrooms and bathrooms do you need? Consider your current and future needs. Do you want a big backyard for gatherings or a cozy fireplace for winter nights? Write down your must-haves and your nice-to-haves. This will help you stay focused. Having a clear picture of your dream home will help you narrow down your search. But remember, be flexible. Sometimes the perfect home might not be exactly what you envisioned. You might be surprised by what you end up loving. Keep an open mind. The journey to home ownership is a marathon, not a sprint. Take it one step at a time. Be patient, ask questions, and don't be afraid to lean on the experts. You've got this. With the right guidance and mindset, you'll find the perfect nest for your family. Before you start house hunting, it's crucial to have a clear understanding of your financial situation. You need to know your budget inside and out. This means figuring out how much you can afford to spend on a mortgage each month without stretching your finances too thin. Start by taking a detailed look at your income and expenses. How much money do you have left over each month after covering all your essential expenses? This leftover amount will give you a realistic idea of what you can comfortably afford for a mortgage payment. Next, it's important to talk to a mortgage lender. They'll help you understand the various mortgage options available, including different interest rates and terms. They can also pre-approve you for a loan, which is a significant advantage. Pre-approval shows sellers that you're a serious and qualified buyer. Remember, your mortgage payment isn't the only cost of home ownership. You'll also need to budget for property taxes, homeowners insurance, and potential repairs or maintenance. Don't forget about the down payment, which is a crucial part of the home buying process. This is the money you pay up front when you buy a house, and it's usually a percentage of the purchase price. The down payment can significantly impact your mortgage terms and monthly payments. By thoroughly understanding your finances and planning accordingly, you'll be in a strong position to make smart, informed decisions throughout the home buying process, ensuring a smoother and more enjoyable experience. Choosing the right neighborhood is almost as important as choosing the right house. Think about your lifestyle and what's important to you. Do you want to be close to schools, parks, and shops? Or do you prefer a quieter neighborhood with less hustle and bustle? Research different neighborhoods that fit your budget and lifestyle. Drive around, walk the streets, and talk to people who live there. Check out the local schools, even if you don't have kids. Good schools often indicate a strong sense of community, plus it's something to consider for resale value down the road. Consider your commute. How long will it take you to get to work or school? Factor in traffic and transportation options. Choosing the right neighborhood is about finding the best fit for your family's needs and dreams. The fun part begins. Start your house hunt online. Websites and apps make it easy to browse homes for sale in your target neighborhoods. Look at photos, floor plans, and virtual tours. Make a list of homes that catch your eye and fit your criteria. Once you have a few contenders, it's time to schedule some showings. Your real estate agent will be your guide, setting up appointments and accompanying you to viewings. During an open house or showing, take your time. Walk through each room, imagine yourself living there, and ask questions. Don't be afraid to open closets and cabinets. Pay attention to the little details. Are the appliances in good shape? How's the water pressure? These things might seem small, but they can add up. Remember, this is your chance to get a feel for the house and see if it's the right fit for your family. Don't be afraid to revisit a house that you really like. Section 5. Making an offer, negotiation, and acceptance. This is a crucial step in the home buying process. You found the perfect house. Now it's time to make an offer. This is where the excitement truly begins. This is where your real estate agent's expertise comes in handy. They will guide you through the complexities of the offer process. Your agent will help you determine a fair offer price based on the home's market value, recent sales in the area, and the seller's motivation. This ensures you make a competitive yet reasonable offer. Your offer will include more than just the price. It encompasses various terms and conditions. You can also negotiate contingencies, such as a home inspection or appraisal. These are critical to safeguard your interests. These protect you by giving you a way out of the deal if something goes wrong. Contingencies are your safety net. Once you've submitted your offer, the seller has a few options. They can respond in several ways. They can accept it, reject it, or counter with a different price or terms. Each response requires careful consideration. Be prepared to negotiate back and forth until you reach an agreement. This process can take time and patience. Remember, buying a home is a business transaction. Approach it with a clear mind and strategic thinking. Don't let emotions cloud your judgment. Stay focused on your goals and financial limits. Stick to your budget and don't be afraid to walk away if the deal isn't right for you. Empower yourself with knowledge and confidence throughout the process. Section 6. Inspection time. A closer look at your future home. Congratulations, your offer has been accepted. Now it's time for the home inspection. This is a crucial step that can save you from costly surprises down the road. Hire a qualified home inspector to thoroughly examine the property. They'll check the roof, foundation, electrical, plumbing, and more. The inspector will provide you with a detailed report outlining any issues they find. Review the report carefully with your real estate agent. If the inspection reveals minor problems, you can ask the seller to fix them before closing. For major issues, you may need to renegotiate the price or walk away from the deal. Remember, the home inspection is your chance to uncover any hidden problems with the house. Don't skip this step. Section 7. Understanding the paperwork contracts and closing costs. Buying a house involves a lot of paperwork, but don't worry. Your real estate agent and lender will guide you through it. You'll sign a contract that outlines the terms of the sale, including the price, closing date, and any contingencies. Be sure to read the contract carefully and ask questions if anything is unclear. You'll also need to be prepared for closing costs. These are expenses associated with buying a house, such as loan origination fees, title insurance, and property taxes. Your lender will provide you with a loan estimate that outlines your estimated closing costs. Review this document carefully so you know what to expect. Remember, buying a house is a legal transaction. It's important to understand the paperwork and seek professional advice if needed. Section 8. Moving day and beyond. Settling into your new home. The big day is finally here. It's time to move into your new home. Pack smart, label boxes clearly, and consider hiring professional movers to make the process smoother. Once you've settled in, take some time to personalize your space. Hang pictures, arrange furniture, and make it feel like your own. Don't forget to change your address, transfer utilities, and update your insurance policies. It's also a good idea to get to know your neighbors and explore your new community. Remember, buying a house is just the beginning. Now it's time to create a happy home filled with memories that will last a lifetime. Section 9. Unexpected surprises. Common first-time homebuyer mistakes. Even with the best planning, there can be unexpected surprises when buying your first home. Here are a few common mistakes to avoid. Not getting pre-approved for a mortgage. This can weaken your offer and make it harder to compete with other buyers. Underestimating closing costs. These expenses can add up, so be prepared. Skipping the home inspection. This is a crucial step that can save you from costly repairs down the road. Falling in love with a house that's outside your budget. Stick to your financial plan. Ignoring potential red flags. If something doesn't feel right, don't be afraid to ask questions or walk away from the deal. Remember, buying a house is a big decision. Don't be afraid to ask for help from your real estate agent, lender, or other trusted professionals. Section 10. Congratulations, you did it, you did it. You navigated the exciting and sometimes overwhelming world of real estate and successfully purchased your first home. This is a huge accomplishment. Owning a home is more than just having a place to live. It's about putting down roots, building equity, and creating a space that reflects your unique style and personality. Enjoy the journey. There will be challenges along the way, but the rewards of home ownership are well worth it. Remember, you're not alone in this process. Lean on your support system, ask questions, and celebrate each milestone. Welcome home.